Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon and welcome to Cedar Bowl, located in Cedar City, Utah. For your chance today in the Darren Tang Clinic Tournament, one-game roll-off for a chance to bowl against Darren Tang in a step-ladder finals. Bowlers, are you ready? Good luck and high scoring.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm here at Cedar City, Utah, and 10 bowlers are going to compete against each other for a chance to bowl against me. First of all, I want to thank Steve Sherman for inviting me out here. We did a clinic a little earlier today. Now we're running a little tournament for some of the participants. Also, shout out to Nick, who owns the bowling center. Let's break it down. How's this going to go? We've got one game of qualifying. Everyone here competing to make a top 4 step ladder. The person who wins the step ladder will bowl against me for a chance to win a signed bowling ball. Nick. His house, his rules?
Handicap or scratch?
Scratch? The kid says scratch. The kid says scratch. All right, future PWBA star. Introduce yourself to the people.
I'm Chelsea.
And tell them why you're going on tour next year.
Oh, that's a hard question because there's no answer for it. I want to go on tour. We'll try it.
Oh, you do? You really?
It'll be fun.
All right, well, good luck.
Thanks.
All right, so I've been here all day, and everyone in the building's been just like a local superstar, I guess. He's bowling a solid game, clean through 6, got a double in there. He's got 2 300s under her belt. This is Chelsea's husband over here. He's got a 250 clip. It's pretty big right there. Locks in 2 team, and I think with some good count, he's locking himself a spot in this top 4. Nine for the number 4 seed. It looks close. 9 to claim it. And she gets 10! No! Onto the stepladder.
Ladies and gentlemen, to begin the match, RJ, the higher seed, the one sleeping on the couch tonight, is going to start on lane 7.
All right, so we got a little battle of the household. So are you gonna throw this match on purpose so you don't have any bad blood in the house?
No, not at all. I don't want to sleep on the couch though either.
Well, she just gave you an opening.
She just gave me an opening, so maybe we'll try to capitalize on that.
Good luck.
Thanks.
Go take advantage of that.
All right.
Wow. Chelsea needs all of them in the 10th to force RJ to get 9. Oh, that's huge.
Congratulations to our 4th place finisher, Chelsea Rowley.
He slapped it out on you and everything. The disrespect. We've got all kinds of interesting relationships match to match. First it was husband and wife, now it's coworker, but one's higher up the food chain. The response. All right, so I gotta ask, I heard that RJ's your boss.
Yes.
Are you laying down for him?
No, I beat him once earlier in the year in another stepladder tournament. He docked my hours. Just kidding.
Huh.
No, he's returning the favor this time, so.
You still got you got frames left?
Yes.
And it's numerically not over.
Just gotta keep focused.
Stay in it.
Yeah.
All right, man, good luck. Right back, baby.
Congratulations to our 3rd place finisher, Hunter Rubber. Our number 1 seed, he operates the pro shop here at Cedar Bowl.
All right, you got a pretty solid hole. What do you need to do to close it out?
Keep that speed. That second frame, I can tell I just got a smidge slow and it just overhooked a little.
Okay.
As long as I just keep that speed up, it's pretty good with that ball and that layout, so.
All those shots have looked pretty convincing, so
yeah.
I like your chances.
Thank you.
You're basically like the super 1 seed. Pretty much. It's like you were the 1 seed. And
This
they were
would
all
be
2, 3,
cool
4, 5.
if I could just have the automatic 1 seed all the time.
You're gonna throw it so they can get the ball.
I never throw.
You're gonna assert
What do
your
you mean?
dominance
What do you mean?
in their home center.
Why would you even say that?
You're gonna assert.
I don't know what ball to throw though. I'm gonna go in with no practice.
No, you get 2 minutes of practice.
I'm gonna go in with no practice.
No practice?
Good luck.
Good luck.
I should have been watching. I don't know where to play. Do we go the hard ball route or the hook route? Oh boy, here we go. Hi, Mom. You're supposed to do that on TV, right? Well, you never know with the strings, right? You just never know. This is big. We have a match. That's a good bowling ball. Come on. All right, ball's in your court. Oh, ball change. I gotta say, I don't think it was a good ball change. No. Go. Gosh, imagine the 1 ball change. Hopefully that doesn't cost him. We're in the switch zone. All right, Darren in science mode. All right, wrap 10, made a move on the last wrap 10. We're gonna make another move on this wrap 10. The bowling forecast says light swisher or 10 back. It's 10 back. I'm glad no one heard what I was saying. YouTube will definitely hear what I said. It was incredibly cocky. That was the ball! That was the ball!
I gotta take away from that.
Oh man, I respect it though. It took some big nuts. Oh. Woo! It's like he bowls here or something. Oh no! Uh-oh. This is a tough spare. Oh. Thank you, Cedar City! Ah, get her done, get her done. Needs the first one and the second one. Roll off, roll off, roll off. I had it ready. ready. I had it ready. I told Steve I don't lose. Spare it. Oh, great bowling.
Thank you.
I'm gonna give you the ball anyways, because you hooked me up. We got something really cool from Skylar and his pro shop, so we're gonna sign this ball, give it to the shop anyways. Really? Do you just want it?
I mean, you can.
Yeah, you got. Still get this ball.
Shop right now in my bags.
All right, he's good to go. All right, cool. Just Cedar Pro Shop?
Yeah.
There you go.
Awesome, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Cedar Ball. Thank you, everybody. We appreciate them having us. Steve, Nick, Cedar Ball, come check it out.